This is Flair Carbonix Neo mechanical pencil. This pencil cost rupees 10. Comes with 0.7 mm tip. Nice pack. The carbonic theme applied here. The name Carbonix itself says that it is a black colored theme. So this pencil looks similar to the Flair's tough mechanical pencil, but with triangular body grip and unique design. A sturdy design with a black color or carbonics theme looks fantastic. A 10 rupees pencil. Default things like the small eraser found at the back. Interesting thing here is the black and 5 different clip colors makes it a fantastic pencil. Pen Designer has more than 500 videos of pens. If you want any specific comparison of pens, you can comment. This pencil, interestingly, has a dark black shade. Nowadays, more of the Flair's mechanical pencils, especially 0.7 mm tip pencils, comes with dark black shaded lead. A perfect pencil, sturdy build from Flair. Thanks for watching.